AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello and not welcome to the micro soldering show. Today is the day you waited a long time for it. I got news for you, important news corresponding to our ICC. I know that a lot of people already ordered the ICC on the website iCheckCharge.com, and they mailed me on Instagram and on email, why do you don't ship out? Why don't we get any informations? What about it is a treat? Do you want to take our money? And no, I'm on social media every day, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. Everybody knows me. I never would treat any people, but I can tell you what about the ICC. We developed the ICC here in Germany, and we were ready with the first batch, and we shipped it out to our distributor here in Germany. And in the night to the release date, I awake in the night at 3:32. It's hard for me in English. I awake and I got in my head, I got an idea. And this idea was really so amazing that I thought, okay, you have to stop selling the ICC Basic. I call it Basic now. And we have to do something. So I didn't sleep anymore this night. Drove to the company the next morning after I got my son to the childhood. And then I took the team here and told them about my vision. And they said, Ben, you're crazy. You can't do that. We finished a lot of ICCs and we shipped them out. I said, no. If we do that now, we sell the ICC Basic 500 times, 1,000 times. I don't know how many, okay? And after 3 months, we come and we say, here, we got another product. And you would say, man, why did I bought the first ICC when you give us a new one which is much better than the first one and which can do more? So I said, okay, perhaps some people are angry or they say bad words about us, but for me it's better to do it in that way. And starting on that point, I didn't communicate to anybody, only here in the company, and we developed a complete new product. And the product can easily test the lightning connector, the USB control IC, Tristar/Hydra, and 5V0 USB. And another point, and this test is the amazing thing on this product is this the last test. I can't tell you what it is, because if I do it now, other people could try to copy it, okay? And the thing is that nobody in the whole world, no product in the whole world has this feature. It's just a feature which is coming out of my head and were developed by my team here, okay? And so I can show you now the new product, but I can't tell you what the key feature of the product is, because I'm really feared that somebody will copy that. So you will see what the last feature is at the release day. At that date, I will give you that feature, and I'm sure that you will say, wow, that's so fucking great. But in this moment, I can't tell you about the feature, but I can tell you about the dates when you can get the product, and I can show you the ICC PRO. So wait for that. We did so many things in a completely different way. Here you can see the new ICC PRO. It looks really really so great. We got a lightning port here for plugging into the lightning device. We got only one button on the whole device. We got a 0.96 inch OLED big color screen, and we got a USB-C charging port. So you can charge the device, a battery is included, you can change the battery at the time it's done, and you can charge it every time, it's no problem. So, and with that device you can easily test the lightning connector, USB control IC Tristar / Hydra, 5V0 USB, and another important thing I can't tell you now. So I want to start the device. Just press the button one time and you see the ICC PRO starting, you see our logo, and at first there comes the Dockflex test or lightning test, and in that way it will say check Dockflex, because we don't have connected the Dockflex, so you get this result. It's just normal, okay? So if I connect that device to a phone, I can do a test, but the thing is I can't show you the third test, so I use that to cover it, okay? So I start, and you see at first Dockflex test, I hope you can see it good, Dockflex test, IC test, and then there is coming the additional test, and after the additional test you get a result, and the result here in that case is Tristar Hydra OK, and there is another result under that, and I can't show you that because it's named, okay? You would see which test it was, okay? So I hope really that you understand that I can't give you the last test at moment, because other people could try to imitate that, and I don't like that, okay? About the product, it will be available at the 1st of March 2020. Why such a long time? Because we have already developed the device here, we have made some here in the company, we got about 10 pieces here just for us for test and things like that. And we don't do all the work in here for soldering down, okay? We have done the development, and now another company does the PCB for us, and they solder down the small parts, and we only do some other parts like the buttons and things like that, solder that down. We already have ordered enough, but we have some delivery time. So normally it's just much faster than the 1st of March, but we want to have the security that if something happens on the seaway or things like that, or lost packages, or I don't know, everything can happen, and we don't want to risk anything, so we tell you 100% the delivery day is the 1st of March 2020, and if we have the products here ready to deliver before, we will ship it out before. But at moment we just communicate the 1st of March 2020 the ICC PRO will be shipped. It's a great device. We developed it here in Germany, a small team of technicians, and like you see, that B-color OLED is just amazing, and the test speed is really high. For all the 3 tests which we are doing, we need about 10 seconds. I think that's really fast, and you get high quality product right out of Germany. So I hope that you understand why you didn't get your ICC until now. For all the people, they ordered the ICC, I call it now ICC Basic, okay? Give me one of the old ICCs, please. David, or do we, okay, we have them next beside. Okay, for all the people who ordered the first ICC, they will get the ICC PRO cost free if they already have paid the first ICC. So you get it for a better price, because this ICC has a much higher price than the ICC Basic or ICC we want. And I think so you have an advantage, because you get a better product for for a lower price than normally. You can order this product on iCheckCharge.com or on our website. Within the next 24 hours, the websites will go online. I will post the links under this video. And then, starting by the 1st of March 2020, you will get the product with a nice package. And the first 100 buyers will get a special right into the package. Okay? So, this was my last video for this year, because now it's holiday time. Just working about 1 hour now, and after that I'm away, and I will be back again at January. So I hope you have a nice Christmas time. I wish you a happy new year and nice Christmas time for your families, for you. God bless you. I'm out. We see us in the next year, and order the ICC PRO. We really spent a lot of time for that, and I think it's an amazing product. I'm out. Goodbye. Peace.